You may be surprised to learn that there are sailors in Wichita Falls, but we're here and we're glad you found us. If you live in North Texas and share our love of sailing, or even think you may, then you've come to the right place. We welcome everyone from land-loving beginners to crusty old salts. You don't even need to own a sailboat or even know how to sail.